Hey guys, it's Suzi with Gemini Discover. Welcome back to the channel. On this channel, we mostly post travel vlogs about myself and my partner Martin and our son Julian, but we also talk about travel gear because I don't know about you guys, but I love gear. I love it so much that I have a secondary channel, Gemini Connect, where I talk mainly about camera gear because I'm a professional photographer, but I also like other forms of gear as well, including those things that we need for outdoor adventures and travel. I also really like surprises. Good ones anyway. So in this company, the Nomadik reached out to me offering a free trial of their subscription box. I said yes, because their subscription box can come either monthly or quarterly, and inside of it is a bunch of gear for outdoor adventures. So this is the first box that I've received from them, so I'm gonna unbox it in front of you and we'll go over what's inside of it. So if you get the monthly subscription box, it's about $35 and you'll get about $60 worth of gear inside of it. So this is the very first box that they sent me. It's about the size of a shoe box. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Ooh, that's really pretty branding. I really like that. Okay. So the first thing I see here is mini patches, tenacious tape. So my understanding of it is that you can use this to patch up holes in your jackets, in your gear, and it's pre-cut, so you just have to peel and stick. And so this is actually really nice because I don't know about you guys, but I keep my gear for as long as possible. And during that time, I use it like really hard to the point where I often get little tears or holes. A really good example is my puffy jacket. I had a black one by Mountain Hardware, and I owned it actually for a long time to the point where it had several holes in it. And I no longer have it, but you know, I had it for close to 7 years. And at one point, a friend of mine actually told me that, hey, if you wanna get a little bit more life out of your jacket, then you should use some gear tape like this. I don't know if it was this exact brand, but it was very similar. And so she actually had some on her, and she used it to patch up my jacket. And so I got, you know, about 6 months more life out of it. It was kind of on its way out, but that was the first time I ever used this gear tape. And it was really nice because it was pretty subtle. It wasn't very obvious that I was using something to patch it up, and was able to use that object for a little bit longer. So I love this, and this is so small that this is gonna totally go inside of my gear bag, and we'll always have it with us when we're traveling outdoors. The next thing is the biggest item in this box, which is, it's a starter hammock. So this is so cool. This is actually one of those items where I've always wanted one, but not to the point where I ever felt the need to actually buy one, but it's always been on my wish list. So that's the nice thing about these subscription boxes, is that I feel like they're probably gonna be filled with things that you might be eyeing or you might have wanted for a long time but never actually pulled the trigger on. And so this is totally one of those items for me. I am so excited. This is 12 ounces, so it's pretty lightweight, but it says that it holds up to 300 pounds, or one person. So yeah, I am super excited to test this out. This is super compact. It's about the size of a packed up jacket. And again, it would fit really well inside of a day pack or an overnight backpacking pack. So really nice way just to relax at camp in case you don't have a chair with you, or if you want an alternate form of relaxation. So yeah, super excited for this. The next item we have here is Ursa Major Essential Facial Tonic. This looks like it's all natural, no petrochemicals, sulfates, parabens, synthetic fragrances, or other suspect chemicals. And it says it cleans, exfoliates, smooths, and hydrates. I like this because, you know, I think that whenever you go hiking or camping, most of camping, I think, you kind of forget or you just neglect your skincare. Because when I travel, like my skincare bag has progressively gotten bigger the older that I get, and even though I think that all those things are essential, it's a lot to take. And so if I'm, you know, going backpacking, I'm probably not going to bring it with me. But if you have, you know, one form of skincare in a small compact little spray bottle like this, this is so nice. And so yeah, you can take this actually on a day pack when you go hiking or just out for half a day or a full day, or you can take it backpacking with you and still get some skincare. And I think this is a really great idea. I'd love to see other brands start to invest in little travel forms like this, because this is really great for those of us who are getting older and realizing that skincare is kind of essential. So very excited for this. This might even go in my purse. I might just take this around town with me as well. All right, the next thing in here is Sweet Fire, strikeable fire starter. Made from renewable biofuel, burns for 7 minutes each. So, oh, and it says it's made from sugarcane. That's very interesting. So let's see if I could, oh yeah, it's totally like a matchbox. Here's where you would strike it. Okay, these things are a little bit bigger than a match. They're kind of like, ooh, I don't really want to open it up for you, but here you go, you can kind of see. So it's like a bigger form of a match, which is kind of nice because I like those little wooden matches, but I often break them in half when I'm trying to strike them on the box. So these feel like they're a lot more robust, and so you're less likely to break them. And I don't know how long they last. Oh, 7 minutes each, duh. So yeah, they last about 7 minutes each. And so yeah, this is really nice for when you're out, maybe not so much hiking, but maybe you want to stop, you want to warm up some water and have some tea or have a snack or have some food on the trail. You can totally bring these with you if you're using them in fire-safe environments, if there's not a high risk for fires. You want to make sure that you look out for that. But if you are someplace where you can start a fire, a small one for yourself anyway, then these would be really great to have. So definitely going to bring this or make this part of our camping gear that we take with us for our little camping trips. All right, so the final thing we have in here is Hydrolyte. Rehydrates faster than water in the flavor of strawberry lemonade. So this is really nice to add to your water. I often carry, actually not often, always carry a water bottle with me whenever I'm out on the trail, just because you never know. And it's always a good idea to stay hydrated. But as this thing says, you know, there are things out there that are better than water, or at least enhance the flavor and, you know, the electrolytes or the contents inside of water. And so I really like carrying little packets like this, but I haven't done that actually in a long time. So this is a good reminder to bring these with you because they're so small and lightweight. Not a big deal to stick it in a pocket or inside of your day pack. And just give yourself a little treat when you're out on the trail. So this also will be joining my hiking day pack. And if I like it a lot, I'll probably buy some more. So those are the big pieces of gear inside of this box, but they also provided a cute little sticker and a little welcome pamphlet, which, ooh, has some brand discounts on the back. So very nice. It gives you a little bit of a discount, you know, 20, 25%, 15% on these brands here in case you really like them and you want to buy some more. So that's really nice. Nice little bonus. And it gives you a little description of all of the products here and some suggestions for how to use them, and also some tips for how to safely start a fire, and also how to pitch your hammock, which I've not actually pitched a hammock before outside, so I'm gonna need to read this before I use my hammock. And gives you a little nomadic challenge. It says, take a creative photo of you on the trail of your favorite hike, campsite, or packing your gear. Just make sure to include the box or a product found inside of the box in your photo, and tag the Nomadik on Instagram with the hashtag, and 3 winners will be selected each month to receive a $50 product bundle. So very nice. Don't throw this out. Make sure that you read this because there's some really nice goodies inside of this. And so yeah, this was my first time unboxing a subscription box from the Nomadik. So far, I'm really impressed. I mean, it's not a ton of objects, but considering the value of all of them, especially this hammock, I think it was a really good value for $35. So yeah, if you guys are interested in signing up for a subscription box from the Nomadik, you can use my link below, and I would really appreciate that. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like them, then please leave me a comment down below and stay tuned for more gear reviews about travel as well as travel vlogs. Those are, you know, the bread and butter of our channel, so we will definitely keep posting some of those. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.